everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Abby of Abby Varieties TV. Guys, I'm here to appreciate everyone. All of you guys have been a success to the growth of Abby Varieties TV. I'm happy to tell you all that Abby Varieties TV is now monetized, guys. Look, it's now monetized. It's not about me, it's about you guys. I appreciate all of your support, all of your help, all of your advice, and everything that you have done to support Abby Variety till this moment. I appreciate you all. If I say I should start mentioning names, I bet you I'm gonna miss out some names, really, because I've got lots and lots of people who have really supported this journey, and I'm here to say thank you, and thank you guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So guys, in just 4 months, Abby Varieties TV is now monetized, guys. So I'm so excited, I'm so happy. And to you all, my colleague that is yet to monetize, I tell you, do not relent. Keep pushing, keep uploading, and before you know it, sooner than anyone expects, guys, you're gonna be monetized as well. Yeah, so just keep uploading, keep being yourself, keep being supportive, you know, keep being, don't listen to negativity, don't listen to, you know, negative people. Just keep pushing and keep uploading, and I'll tell you, very soon, pretty soon, you that are watching me, you're gonna get monetized. I tell you, yes. You know, really, it's a very tough journey. Really, I must confess, it hasn't been easy. But then, with you guys, with God, and with consistency, persistency, you know, we are here today. So honestly, I'm full of joy. I'm so grateful to God and to all of you, everybody, everyone, my colleagues, my parents, my family, my partner, my you know, everybody that really pushed me and been so supportive in one way or the other. And here we are, guys. We are monetized. Yippee. So guys, yes. So please do well to put under this comment section the recipes that you want, you know, Abby Varieties to make. All of your choices, just put them in the comment section. I would like to see them, and then we're gonna work towards them. So guys, in all, we are so grateful to God and to all of you. I can't really thank you guys enough. So it actually took Abby Varieties TV 4 months to get monetized. So it's not her power, it's not her might, it's just God, you know. And I'm looking at probably making a video on steps and, you know, some of the things that I did that really helped me, you know, to get to this stage so quickly, really. So yeah, I'm saying, okay, if you really want to see that video, if you want to see a video on what I did and what I did not do that really pushed me and helped me to get to this stage of monetization in just 4 months, just let me know in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know if you would like to see, you know, such video. Let me know, and then I'm gonna try make a video to explain with my whole little knowledge what I did, you know, what I did not do, you know, and then I will just share with you. I'm happy to share with you and also to support you in my whole way. So guys, you can reach me, you know, on IG, on Facebook, and of course, I'm yours truly. I'm very much, you know, available for you all, guys. So expect a lot of recipes, lovely, yummy food recipes, you know, health tips, and, you know, lots more, anything relating to food, beauty, and the likes. Expect loads and loads of that, you know, from Abby Varieties TV. So Merry Christmas once again, guys, and Happy New Year 2021 in advance. I'm gonna see you next year. Yeah, I will see you next year. Corona free year by God's grace. Yeah, we hope and pray, but then God will listen to our prayers and our requests. So guys, I see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please, I make food videos, you know, and anything related, you know, cooking hacks and lots more. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. And when you subscribe, please put on that bell notification so you get notified each time I upload new videos. So guys, till my next video, keep being you, keep being real, and then I'll see you all by the special grace of God. Thank you, and thank you, and thank you once again. Bye.